Hello friends, the most awaited moment has come in my life. I have just received the box of my book Blue Ocean of Compliance. And
Hello, Blue Ocean of Compliance readers. How the reading of your book Blue Ocean of Compliance is going on? Reading only once will help you, but still, if you keep on reading again and again, so it will give you new ways of thinking, innovative ways of thinking, and based on this, you will be able to convince the people on your side to follow the compliance. If you will read it, it will help you to make the management in favor of compliance. If you are facing the challenges that people are not listening to you, the people are not ready to follow the compliance. So with this book and with this thought process, Blue Ocean Compliance thought process, you will be able to convince the people very easily. Yes, very easily. So I have seen that many people face the challenges, means very quality and compliance professionals, that the people who are from the commercial backgrounds and think that the following the compliance is not going to help the company, and it increases the budget, and it is the company is in loss if they follow the compliance, right? So let me tell you that with this book and the knowledge of which is written and thought process in this book, you will be able to convince those people that yes, following compliance or guidelines are not the optional, but it is the compulsion. And if you will not follow the compliance, if you will not follow the guidelines, then your business is at risk. So, and not only at the risk, and you cannot survive in the pharmaceutical industry. So read the book and find the way to convince the people that the compliance is mandatory if you want to survive in the pharmaceutical industry. So read the book and it will give the new ways to convince people, and anyone who will read the book, they will also get the new way of working and the angle of working, that why the compliance to be followed. Recently Schedule M is revised, and even if you do not want to go for international market, but yes, for all the Indian manufacturers, this is the message from message that you will have to follow the compliance for Schedule M. And yes, you will have to follow the PICS guidance, you will have to follow the you will also have to follow the WHO guidances. So not only you will have to do the compliance only to qualify the international regulatory audits, but if you are thinking that you do not want to go for any international regulatory market, right? You do not want to go for Europe or even US market, but even if you are working from other markets, for ROW markets, or even for Indian drug manufacturing, so you will also have to follow the compliance for all these guidances, WHO, PICS, and obviously for Schedule M. So keep in mind that compliance is to save the life of people. So irrespective of any market you are working, so following compliance is must, so that you can manufacture the good quality of the medicines. And this was the message from Blue Ocean Compliance Tips. With this, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. Bye.
hello friends, the most awaited moment has come in my life. I have just received the box of my book Blue Ocean of Compliance, and I'm going to open this box, and I don't have words that how excited I am to see my books. I'm going to open this box. This dream I have seen since 2019. In 2019 only, I have just thought, when I published my book of poems, Pari Hu Main. It is there on Amazon also. The same day I have written one mail to my CEO, to president and all the company that as I have written this book, one day I am going to write one book for pharmaceutical industry to help the pharma professionals. The day from that day I was looking the dream to write a book on pharma industry, for pharmaceutical industry, and that dream has come true. And also I'm so excited to tell you that my book has become the #1 bestseller on Amazon, and I am also became #1 best-selling author on Amazon. Now let's open this box and see the book. Wow. Oh my God, I'm going to open this book. Let us see that how it will be. You know, these I have ordered few number of books here. This is my book, Blue Ocean of Compliance. Let me see you how I am feeling. I am feeling so nice to see this book. Wow. Oh my God. It is looking so nice. This is my book. This is table of contents, and these are the forwards. I'm really thankful to the people who have given the forward, written the forward. I'm so much grateful to Ranjit Barshikar sir and Mr. Eric Veselowski and John English and Mr. Gopal S. Patel, Dr. Rajiv Desai, Dr. Vinder Nayak. You know, I'm so happy to see these books. When a mother feels, when she first time looks her baby, the same feeling I'm having into my heart. And wow. You know, this book is very helpful to every person who is working in pharma industry. Especially, I have written this book specifically for the founders and CEO entrepreneurs and anyone who is part of the pharmaceutical industries and who is going to become the part of the regulatory inspections. I want to ask you one question, that have you booked your copy? Yes, then congratulations, you have taken a very wise decision and you are really going to be benefited from applying the principles written in this book. Actually, my success is there if you become the successful by applying the principles written in this book on your side. As when you read this book and you will solve the exercise given at the end of the chapters, when you will apply the principles written in this book on your side, and you will be able to solve the many non-compliances and many non-compliance problem on your side. So your success will be my book success and your success is my book's success, and that is the achievement of writing this book. And do not forget to write me that how the principles written in this book when applied on your site. So they have given some very good result on the site. So do not forget to book your copy as early as possible, because this is the first edition with limited number of copies and with this launching price. So do not miss to book your copy and read this book and apply the principles of this book on yourself.